15 ounces of canned tomatillo here. You know, I live in Vanuatu. You wouldn't find the tomatillo here even if you stood on your head. So I was lucky enough to get some from Amazon through Australia. So now that's what I'm going to use. You know, if you guys want to use fresh tomatillo, you don't have to husk it, wash it, and boil it until it's soft, okay? But this is 15 ounces, about 7 tomatillos. As always, this recipe is going to be underneath the video in the description box with a link for you to go and print it. I'm going to put this in the food processor. I'm going to add a tablespoon of lime. I have a large garlic clove which I chopped, and I have a green chili pepper, same as a tomatillo. I can't find jalapeño or serrano here, but these are very, very nice. So I'm just going to use what I can find. But whatever chili you're using, stem it and seed it, and you need one. I have a 1/4 cup of, this is Chinese coriander. It tastes exactly like cilantro, but you can chop cilantro, okay? I'm going to add about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. I'm going to process this until it's nice and creamed. I'm adding a small avocado, which I peeled and diced. We're going to cream that. It's not necessary to super blend the avocado. You can leave it in chunks if you'd like. If this would be too thick, you can thin it out with a little bit of water. I like this consistency. So I'm gonna taste it. It doesn't need salt, it doesn't need anything. It's perfect. All right. Here we have a nice, chunky, mild, green salsa. I love it like this. If you want it creamier, all you gotta do is cream it more. If it gets too thick, as I said, just thin it out with a little bit of water at a time. This is beautiful on tacos and as a, you know, for chips. If you want it spicier, obviously add more chili. I'm gonna taste it. Oh, it is delicious. Got tang from the lemon, that brightness from the coriander, the creaminess of the avocado, that little bit tang of the tomatillo. It's a beautiful salsa. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to see you soon.